This is a beginner workout. You want to have at least one set of hand weights. It's ideal if you have two. I've got 15s and 20s. I also have a kettlebell. If you don't have a kettlebell, that's okay. I'll show you how you can use one dumbbell. And what weights do you have?
I have two 25-pound dumbbells and a 25-pound kettlebell.
And he's going a little bit light today because this is his off day. And this is my husband, Steve. He's joining me for the first time, so hopefully we'll do another one together. So we're gonna do every exercise to failure with good form. I'll walk you through it. Let's do a couple more. The first one we're gonna do is we're gonna do push-ups all the way until you can't do another one. The reason why is we're only gonna do one set of every exercise, so we're gonna go as hard as we can. All right, so we're going to get on our mats, and he's gonna just start because he can do a whole bunch of them, and I'm gonna go over form, and he's just gonna go for it. So when we do our push-ups, now you can do this on a bench, on a chair. You can start with a wall. The advance is on the floor, so I'll show you that one. I want you to put your arms out like this. Flex the wrists. So it should be about here, right? Not too high. People always start too high. And then when you go down, it should be an arc position. Your hand should be here. What happens is people, when they go down, they think they have to have their hands in the same position, and they flare their elbows. We don't want that. We want them down. All right, let's go. He's still going, and I'm going to go ahead and start. So I'm going to start in a plank position on my tippy toes, hip width apart. I'm going to push forward, squeeze my butt, make sure I'm not arching. I'm in a line, and then I'm going to go as many as I can. I'm going to try to hit the floor with each one. Go all the way up. Don't lock out the elbows, but do straighten them. And you're looking straight down. You're not looking ahead. You're not looking down. So everything's neutral in a straight line. If you need to reposition your feet, go ahead and do so. You'll feel those triceps working. It's also working your chest. We're going through full range of motion. Steve, you still going?
No. I did 40.
Oh my goodness, that's so good. I didn't count how many I did. All right, great. All right, make sure you have some water nearby. I'm gonna have a sip between each set. It'll feel so much better if you're hydrated. All right, which one are we gonna do next?
Goblet squat.
All right, so you're gonna grab, actually you grab your, you'll grab that, and I'll grab the dumbbell in case people don't have a kettlebell. And again, we're just doing as many as we can. Push those knees out. And I'm trying to get my elbows to touch my knees, so I'm going deep enough. And just try to get those knees out. That'll help you go down. Your back is flat, it's not rounded. Just go at your level. If you can't go as deep as us, that's okay. I'm starting to get winded and warmer. Keep going. So you probably have more in the tank that you think you do. Usually our brains gives out before our bodies do. So usually you can do a couple more. Now if you feel your heart rate going up too high, stop, walk it out. Don't just stop and sit down, but walk it out and then return when you're ready. I think I could do these all day long. I'm just kidding.
I did 25. That was enough.
Yeah. I probably should have grabbed a heavier weight because I feel like I could keep going. I love doing legs. So much fun. All right, I'll do a couple more. But those are so awesome. Great for the butt, the quads, the muscles on the front of the leg. I'm gonna grab some water while I'm trying to catch my breath. All right, what's our next exercise?
Shoulder press.
All right. So I'm gonna tap, or you can do the knee up if you want, just so I'm still moving. We're gonna do a W press, which is a little bit easier. So you're gonna go like, we're not gonna go straight up, we're gonna go, the elbow's gonna go out to the side, and you're gonna press straight up, and don't go up like this. So don't pull that trap up. Just go to as far as you can, extend comfortably without hiking up that trap. Right. So you want to show them the form? You pick some heavy weights. All right, don't start yet. All right. So I'm gonna pick my 15s up. Oh man, I should have actually picked 12s. All right, that's all right. I just won't do as many. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hammer curl it up with power. And if you need a little help getting those weights up, you can do a mini squat and a press, okay? All right, and go. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale when you go up. 6, blow the air out. 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got 2 more. 11 and 12. That was plenty. Woo. Heart rate's up. How many did you do?
I did 2 sets.
Oh, wow.
15 on the second one.
Wow, that's good. All right, grab your water, have a sip. And you could do tap side to side. Next exercise, we're gonna do kettlebell deadlifts. So I'll show you how to do it without a kettlebell. Well, there's actually a lot of different ways, but if you're doing it without a kettlebell, feet a little bit wider than hip width. So I'm gonna hinge back, and then I'm gonna go, so I'm trying to get that stretch. It's not a squat, to go down and then up. Now, I don't have a great amount of flexibility in my hamstrings, and you wanna keep your back flat. So I'll show you from the side, keep stepping. So push the butt out, engage the abs. This works your low back, hamstrings, and the glutes. So I'm gonna bring the kettlebell down. I'm gonna watch. Now you might be able to bring it to the floor, but I know I'd pull a hamstring if I did that. And then I'm gonna do is go up. Don't arch back, just go up and squeeze the butt cheeks. All right, again, to failure or when you've had enough. All right, let's see, go. So do more of a deadlift, Steve. Steve's doing kind of more of a squat. Hinge back and up. Awesome. So my eyes are traveling where my legs are going. So my back is flat, my shoulders aren't rounded, which is a little bit challenging because gravity is going to pull you down. And what's great about this is you're working your entire body by engaging that upper back, or I should say, by keeping the back flat, you are engaging your upper back muscles, especially the back of the shoulders. So always start light. I'm gonna do a couple more. And last one. Awesome. All right, grab a drink of water. Oh, no. Drop this. Okay. We're gonna do back now. We're gonna do rows. What kind of rows are you gonna do?
Double dumbbell.
Let me see. There's a couple different ways. So it looks like he's gonna do a staggered stance, back flat, row. Okay, no, don't do them yet. Okay, that's cool. That's good. So there's a couple different ways. You can try that way, or you can also, like this. That's pretty much what he was doing. All right, and then I'm gonna do it on the floor. I just like the way it feels better. So you can go heavier on this. I'm gonna grab my 20s, and you've got your 25s for everything. Okay, so only do, actually, yeah, I'm gonna do one dumbbell at a time. So if you have a back that's kind of aggravated, do my form. Otherwise you can try his. So go either to 15 or to failure, whatever feels good for you. And we're gonna row in a J shape to the hip. So make sure not to go up. It's not about going up, it's about going back. We're working the back. All right, start whenever you're ready. And I'm gonna go 1, 2, I'm gonna look over there, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm gonna go for 10, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm gonna switch. Try not to waste any time since it's a short workout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's normal to have one side be easier than another. A lot of people have a more dominant side, a stronger side. And all right, now we're gonna do his 3-way calf raises. So how do you do those? How do you want to do those? Do you do them with weights?
You could do them with or without.
Okay.
If you're doing without, you probably want to do quite a few more reps. But one with your feet straight.
Parallel.
1, 2.
We're not gonna start yet, just show a couple.
Then I go feet out.
Okay.
1, 2. And then pigeon toed.
Okay, and how many of each are we gonna do?
I was thinking 10 of each.
Okay, so grab your heavy weights. So I'm grabbing my 20s, and I'm probably gonna regret it, but all right. So we're gonna start parallel. Make sure they're both in line. Push the knees out. Shoulders, squeeze the back of the shoulders. So you're engaging the back muscles all the time. And then we're gonna go 10. Go as high as you can. 9, 8, 7,
You can
6.
hold at the top for a little difficulty.
Make sure you're going all the way up. I think that's 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my goodness. 9, 10. Toes in. Man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you bring the weights down, use good form, flat back. I like to put one down and then the other gently. Awesome. Let's do some shoulder rolls. Stretch it out. Yeah, all that shoulder work. And then let's do calf stretch. So you want that back foot flat on the ground and press the back of the heel into the ground. If it's too much, you can bend and straighten. Whew. Other side. And this calf is tighter. Both toes should be pointed forward. Good. Yeah. Let's stretch out the quads. You can either hold on to something for balance. Bend the standing leg. And then try to bring that heel to your butt. Your legs should be in a line. Show you from the side. looks like this. So not here, not here. And then if you have good balance and you feel you can reach, you can put both hands right back. Let's let that foot down slowly using strength. Great. Other side. Quad stretch. Balance. Heel to your butt. Or, and you're stretching the front of the leg. Let's do a hamstring stretch. So I've got the foot flexed. This leg is bent, this leg is straight. I'm going to rotate my torso in line with that foot. See if I can flex further. I'm hinging my hips back. My back is not rounded. So actually do this. Let's put our hands on our hips while we're doing that stretch. Remember, rotate that torso. Don't put the hands down because people will tend to round. So all we want to do is, yep. And then he's on his other side, so I'm going to stretch this side. Oh, there it goes again. Stretching right here. Hamstrings. And let's do a quick stretch for those lats since we did the rows. And we're going to go up. Make ourselves taller first before we stretch a little bit over. Oh, yeah. Feel this?
Yeah.
Kitty says hi, up, over. Little huggers, give yourself a hug. Job well done. Thanks for joining us. If you liked the workout, let us know. Click the like button, write us a comment, and if you are interested in losing weight, check out my diet book, The High Five Diet. It's about going dairy-free, and it will help with inflammation and preventing disease. So check those out, and we'll see you soon.